In a bustling hospital, there was a janitor named Mr. Ahmed who worked tirelessly, ensuring every corner was spotless and safe. While doctors and nurses were hailed as lifesavers, few noticed Ahmed's quiet contributions. During a severe flu outbreak, he worked overtime, disinfecting surfaces and preventing the spread of infection. His work saved countless lives, but he never sought recognition. For him, it was about doing his part to keep others safe. Ahmed's story is just one example of the many behind-the-scenes heroes shaping our world. Think of the teacher who stays late to help struggling students, the delivery worker braving storms to ensure essential supplies reach homes, or the neighbor who checks on the elderly during tough times. These unsung heroes often go unnoticed, but their dedication creates ripples of positive change in society. What motivates them? For Ahmed, it was a deep sense of purpose and pride in knowing his work mattered. For others, it's compassion, the desire to give back, or simply the joy of making someone's day better. Their actions, though small in scale, leave a lasting impact on the lives they touch. But recognizing these heroes isn't enough. We, too, can play a role in celebrating their efforts. Start by noticing the unnoticed. Thank the grocery clerk, appreciate the bus driver, or acknowledge the volunteer who cleans your local park. Small gestures of gratitude can mean the world to those who often work in silence. And why stop there? Each of us has the power to become an unsung hero. It doesn't take much. A kind word, a helping hand, or standing up for someone in need. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a better world. Let's take a moment to celebrate these quiet champions who rarely seek the spotlight, but whose impact shines brightly. Share their stories, recognize their efforts, and most importantly, be inspired by them. Together, we can create a world where kindness, compassion, and dedication thrive, one unsung hero at a time.